Hi, I'm Ajarn Mieder. I'm here with Kun Noina and she's going to teach me some Thai today. Today we're going to focus on how to count from 11 to 20. Now I believe it's not very difficult. Kun Noina said that she's going to help me. Alright, so let's start with 11. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to say it in English and she's going to tell me how to say it in Thai. Okay, let's start. 11,
11
12,
12
13,
13
14,
14
15,
15
16,
16
17,
17
18,
18
19,
19
20.
20
Okay, so I'm going to let her count again from 11 to 20 only in Thai. Go ahead, Kun Noina.
11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20
Great. Okay, let me try it now. So I'm going to say it in English and then I'm going to translate it into Thai. All right, so if I say it wrong, please correct me. Okay. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20.
ถูกต้องค่ะ
Okay, great. All right, now I can count from 11 to 20. It doesn't seem that hard. It's very similar to counting in English, but actually it's very easy because all I have to say is I say two different words. The only difference is that 11 uses a different word. So instead of 1 like ning, I say 8. For example, 18. But after that, it's the same as Thai language where I count from 2 to 9. So 12 is 12, 13 is 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, and the special one 20, which is 20. So the only one that is special is the 11, which is 11. Okay, so that is 11 to 20. All right, I hope that was useful. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.